Most founders think a fractional CMO is a full-time CMO at a discount, a few days a week, the same job, smaller invoice. That misunderstanding is why the engagements that fail, fail. A part-time executive who just does less of a full-time job is a bad deal. The real job is different in kind, not degree. It's to install the go-to-market system, positioning, pipeline, and the operating rhythm, and to make the company less dependent on any one marketer, including me. The goal isn't to be indispensable. It's to build something that runs after I'm gone. A founder brought me in expecting a strategy deck and a monthly check-in. What they needed was someone to sit between sales and the board, kill 4 of their 7 active motions, and stand up an attribution model their investors would actually trust. 6 months later, they hired a full-time director to run the machine we'd built. That's the job working exactly as designed, not a hole to fill forever, but a foundation to hand off. A fractional CMO isn't a cheaper CMO, it's a different job. If you're weighing a $300,000 plus full-time hire before you have a repeatable model, you may be buying the wrong thing at the wrong time. At the Artesian network, senior strategy and a full execution team arrived together, operational in week 1. And we've done it for more than 60 technology companies since 2009, 60% of them going on and ultimately reaching an IPO or acquisition exit. Remember, overall, maybe 10% of tech companies even make it to the 3rd round of financing. Start with a 2-week go-to-market health check at artesiannetwork.com. It'll tell you which kind of marketing leadership you actually need next.